Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly, you have to turn your device off. After it turns off completely, what you will have to do is to find USB cable, Type-C, on the one side connected to your personal computer, and on the other side connected to our HTC device, but firstly turn it off, then hold down volume up, and while you hold volume up, connect USB cable. As you can see, something happens. Hold volume up until Android robot appears. Then what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option, wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. It will be restarted not just as usual, but maybe in about 40 seconds, maybe 1 minute, maybe even more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.